Hello students, today I am going to start the new chapter, the Vedic Age. The Vedic Age is the period during which the Vedas were composed. This period is sometimes called the Vedic civilization. The Vedic Age is believed to have begun with the migration of the Aryans from Central Asia to South Asia. The Aryans who arrived in the Saptasindhu are also called Indo-Aryans. They started a new culture, Hinduism. The Vedic age is divided into two phases, early Vedic period, later Vedic period. Early Vedic period is also known as Rig Vedic period because they composed Rig Veda in this period. Later Vedic period is also known as Epic age, as the great epics Ramayana and Mahabharata were written during this period. Now we will see what are the sources of Vedic period. There are two main sources of information regarding the Vedic period, literary sources and archaeological sources. Literary sources are Vedas, Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Athar Veda. Besides the Vedas, Aryankas, Upanishad, Ramayana and Mahabharata also give information about the Vedic period. Archaeological sources are copper and bronze tools, but they did not know the use of iron. Social division of early Vedic period. In Rig Vedic period or early Vedic period, society was divided into four classes based on occupation. Brahmin, who were priests and teachers. Kshatriya, who were warriors and administrators. Vaishyas, who were farmers, merchants and artisans. Shudra, who were laborers, they served the three upper classes. Now I will discuss about their family and position of women in early Vedic period. The joint family was the basic unit of the Aryan society. The eldest male member of the family was its head and called Grihapati. Women had a respectable position in the society. They actively participated in public meetings and religious ceremonies. Women had the freedom to choose their husbands in Swayamvar. Widows were allowed to remarry. Now I will discuss about the political system of early Vedic period. The main units of Rig Vedic political organization were Kul, Gram, Clan and Jana. Chief of Jana was Rajan and head of the Gram was Gramini. Rajan functioned under the control of two councils, Sabha and Samiti. Samiti served as a platform open for all members of the tribe, including women. But the Sabha had only a few important persons of the tribe as members. Religion of early Vedic period. The Aryans followed simple religious practices. They neither worshipped idols nor built temples. They basically worshipped various elements of nature. Indra was the chief god. Other gods whom the Aryans worshipped were Agni, god of fire, Surya, the sun god, Vayu, god of wind, Prithvi, the earth goddess, and Soma, god of plants. Economic life of early Vedic period. In the early Vedic period, hunting and animal rearing were the main occupations of the Aryans. They also started agriculture using tools made of wood and copper. After adopting agriculture, Aryans gained knowledge about growing different crops in different seasons. Other occupations of early Vedic period were weaving, carpentry, pottery and metalwork. Now I will discuss about their trade. Trade developed through the exchange of goods called barter system. In this system, goods and services were directly exchanged from other goods and services without using any particular medium of exchange. Cosmetics, sandalwood, and ivory were exported, and horses and dates were imported in that period. Lifestyle of early Vedic period, in which I will discuss about their food, their dress and ornaments, and how did they entertain themselves. Food: they ate rice, wheat, barley, fruits, honey, vegetables and milk. They used to make intoxicating drinks called soma and sura. They consumed these only on festive and religious occasions. For entertainment, the Aryans participated in chariot racing and hunting. They also played dice games. They also liked music and dance. Dress: the Aryans wore dress made up of cotton and wool. Men wore dhoti and shawl. Women wore nivi, a dress worn at the waist, and athivasa, the upper cover. Both men and women wore ornaments of gold and silver.